Yes, guys, it is currently 5:24, and I'm about to start my day. It's quite chilly outside, and I have my trusty sidekick here with me.
Bonjour et bienvenue à l'Orange Bleu.
I'm home, and when I get home, the first thing I usually do is drink some water. One banana. Then I would add some water. Vegan protein. 1 scoop is enough. Then there's oats, usually 1 tablespoon. Then nuts. This is cashew, because it's basically done. Then there's pumpkin seeds, 1 tablespoon. Sunflower seeds, 1 tablespoon. Chia seeds, 1 tablespoon. Flax seeds, 1 tablespoon. And some nutmeg. Also, with my shake, I would take spirulina. So, alright, I am ready. Let's go. Currently, the students are outside preparing for their presentations, and so here's what my classroom looks like. Alright, so now it's lunchtime. I've been so busy with classes, and I'm going to have lunch. Yes, this is what I actually eat for lunch sometimes. While at work, we have several breaks. During my breaks, I like to use the time to practice my languages or read a book. And for today, it is Japanese. I did not get the chance to film a lot today. Nonetheless, I hope you guys like what I have. I'm home, and right now I'm going to eat something quite light. Y'all see that? I like to spice up my ramen. Alright, at this point in time, my cup soup is ready and I'll eat.
いただきます。
Yush, that ends today. So this is what my Mondays are like usually, and right now it is 8:47. Normally I finish at around 7 or 7:15. However, today something unexpected happened. Normally I would sleep at 9 p.m. but I won't be able to do that since it's already late. I need to revise my languages a little bit and then get to some work, which will take about 30 minutes, so I will go to bed by 10 p.m. So if you guys enjoyed today and what I do in general, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you've not already subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so that you may always be notified when I make an upload. Ciao, ciao.
Cet hiver, on rigole avec les bons achats nature. Un séjour au soleil avec ses visages ou